AP0116 code is set when the computer, ECM or PCM, detects that the ECT sensor, one input is too high, too low, or no voltage, an engine coolant temperature sensor. ECT is a thermistor whose resistance changes with temperature. Causes of the P0116 code include a faulty thermostat, faulty ECT sensor, ECT wiring problems, engine overheating, or ECM or PCM problems. Possible causes of the P0116 code: 1. Faulty thermostat. 2. Faulty engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor 1. 3. ECT sensor 1 wiring problem, overheating or cooling system problem. Number 1. Faulty car thermostat. A car thermostat is a heat-sensitive valve located between the engine and the radiator that controls the flow of coolant to maintain optimal operating temperatures. It uses a wax-filled cylinder that expands when heated, usually 90 degrees to 105 degrees Celsius, to open a valve, allowing hot coolant to flow into the radiator to cool. The thermostat valve closes when the coolant cools to 105 degrees to 90 degrees Celsius. To check if your car's thermostat is bad, you first need to remove the thermostat. I will remove the thermostat from this car. I took out the thermostat. There is a rubber seal inside the thermostat, but it is damaged. If the thermostat has this problem, the thermostat will not open and will not function properly when the engine coolant temperature is high. It could be that your car's thermostat is stuck. Check it. How do I check if the thermostat is stuck? Hold the bulb with your hand and press it from above with your fingers. If it does not go down, then the bulb is jammed. This thermostat bulb is stuck. Some of the problems your car can have due to a bad thermostat include: Number 1. Coolant temperature will get high while driving. Number 2. Check engine lights on. Number 3. Car air condition not cold. Number 4. Remember these fault codes will come up. If your car has these problems, be sure to replace the bad thermostat and install this new thermostat immediately. Now I will change the car thermostat and install a new one. I will install a new thermostat. If your car has this problem, you should definitely change the thermostat. Install the thermostat bulb housing properly so that coolant does not leak. Try changing the thermostat. If the problem is not resolved, follow step number 2. Step number 2. Bad coolant temperature sensor. A coolant temperature sensor, CTS/ECT, is a thermistor, a variable resistor, that changes its electrical resistance based on engine temperature. As the engine warms up, its resistance decreases, causing the voltage sent to the ECU to drop, which informs the computer to adjust fuel mixture, ignition timing, and radiator fan operation. A bad coolant temperature sensor, CTS, is usually the cause of engine overheating, rough idling, and the check engine light, CEL, coming on. It can also cause difficulty starting, erratic temperature gauge readings, and the cooling fan not turning on. If there is a problem with the car, it is definitely necessary to change the coolant temperature sensor. Now I'm going to take the car's coolant temperature sensor out to change it. Now I'm going to install this new coolant temperature sensor. I connected the coolant temperature sensor wire socket. If the problem is not resolved after replacing the coolant temperature sensor, test the coolant temperature sensor wiring. If there is a problem with the wiring, be sure to have it repaired. To solve such problems, you must check the fuses and relays. I have changed the temperature sensor and thermostat of this car. Now I am entering the car. First, I turn the ignition key switch to the on position. I will clear the fault code with a scan computer. Click Clear Fault Code. The fault code has been cleared. Now I will click on Read Fault to see it. The fault code has been cleared. There are no more fault codes now. I started the car engine and now the check engine light is off. Now I will test it with the scan computer to see how hot the radiator fan turns on. A few minutes later. The engine coolant temperature is now 99 degrees Celsius. The radiator fan turns on when the engine coolant temperature of this car reaches 99 degrees Celsius. Now I'll go outside and see if the radiator fan is on or not. See, inshallah, the radiator fan has turned on. The radiator fan has automatically turned off. Now I'll go inside the car and check the coolant temperature. How many degrees Celsius is it? Now the temperature is 93 degrees Celsius. Now there is no more problem with this car. Inshallah. If you have any problem understanding anything after watching the video, please comment.